we've got 5 integers and the mode is 2 more than the median. Now I decided to call, so the median is going to be the third number. I decided to call this x. There's different ways you can do this question, but I've gone with x here. And that means the mode is going to be x plus 2, and it's got to be greater, so and there's going to be 2 of them over here for it to be the mode. And then I've got 2 other numbers that I'm going to write in order. So a is less than b, which is less than x. And they can't be the same because we know that the mode has to be x plus 2. Now the mean is 2 less than the median, so that's going to be x minus 2. And that's going to be my next step, because I'm going to add them together, a plus b plus x plus 2 plus x plus 2. And if I divide that by 5, I would get x minus 2, which is equivalent to saying that if I times the mean by 5, then I will get the sum of the numbers. Okay, that's a little fact that is needed, that you need to know. Therefore, a plus b plus 3x plus 4 is equal to 5x minus 10. And remember, I'm trying to find the largest possible range. So really, what I'm interested in is x plus 2 minus a, making that as large as possible. So let's kind of play around with that. So, well, I could write this here as 4x. Basically, I want x plus 2, don't I? So x plus 2, and it's going to be 4x minus 12. And that means that x plus 2 minus a is going to equal b plus 3x plus 4 minus 4x plus 12. I've just manipulated this equation to get the range on the left-hand side, well, on the right-hand side, but then I've swapped it. So I'm just going to say this again. I've got this equation from the mean, I've multiplied the bracket out, and I've rewritten 5x minus 10 as x plus 2, because that's my last term, plus some other stuff, 4x minus 12. I've then minus 4x, and I've added 12, and I've just swapped it all around so it's on this side. So that is going to equal 16 minus x plus b. Now I want to make the range as large as possible. So how can I do that? I need to make b as large as possible. Okay, because I'm adding b to it. But remember, b is less than x. So the largest it can be, so max b is actually going to be x minus 1, because it has to be less than that x term. And therefore the maximum range is going to equal 16 minus x plus x minus 1, which is going to give me 15. That's the maximum possible range.